Woo! Hey guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with my friend Olive. So today we are gonna make boba, and we found it off of TikTok. And this TikTok, first it was my sister's idea, and then I found the TikTok of it, and we ordered this boba on Amazon. And we're gonna do a video for you guys making the boba. And I'm sorry I haven't been posting much, just because it was my sister's birthday, and then I was hanging out with Olive, and then it was 4th of July, so I didn't really have any time to edit a video and then post it. But I literally have like 5 videos like all lined up that I'm gonna be posting. So yeah, sorry that I was gone for a little bit, but now I'm back. So the boba's upstairs, and we are gonna make the boba. So we found this boba on Amazon. It was $15. And yeah, we're making black tea boba, and you add like brown sugar to it to make it like boba, you know? So let's do it. Other than that, let's just get straight on to the video. Yo. So here is the boba package, and it's actually pretty heavy. It's like, I don't know how many pounds it is. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh yeah. It's super heavy. Oh my god.
It's all lumpy.
So we found a TikTok tutorial that we're gonna like face it off. So we're gonna read some of that, and then we're gonna do the boba. So it's just black tapioca pearls. And then we have this black tea that's cupcake flavored. The last ingredient that we're needing is cane brown sugar. So we're not completely sure, but we just watched the tutorial. We're gonna do 2 cups of boba, and then we're gonna just fill up the water. What does it look like?
Smell it.
Oh, it's stinky. It smells so bad. This is what the boba ball looks like. Oh, wait. Oh, that smells like boba, guys. Okay, so first we need to get a pot.
Got a pot.
So we're gonna do 2 cups of boba, but first we need to put hot water in it so we can because we have to boil the boba, you know? So let's put some water. Let's just fill it like if you're making mac and cheese, I guess. So we put some hot water inside this pot, and we're gonna add 2 cups of black tapioca pearls. Woo!
So we'll do like half a cup.
Oh. So the next step, we have our boba inside our pot, and we're gonna go ahead. The tutorial said you put the boba onto the stove and let it boil until the boba rises to the top. So we kind of mixed it up a little bit because we're supposed to add the boba to boiling water, but we think it's fine if the boba just like boils with it, you know? We're gonna come back once it starts boiling, and the tutorial said it's gonna rise to the top, and that's how you know it's ready. Okay, so the boba is still boiling, but we thought while the boba is boiling, we can make the black tea. We can make the black tea because we don't know how long that's gonna take to boil or like make. So we're gonna go ahead and make the cupcake black tea. So we put all the water inside our little tea kettle, and now we're gonna put it on the stove and let that boil, and then we'll add in the tea bags. Like on one side, it's starting to look shiny. Like some parts are shiny and some aren't. Oh my god, no. So we're putting the tea bags inside here. We're doing 1 in here and then 1 in here. So the boba cups that we're gonna use are these, and the boba is boiling over there, and it's starting to form because the water is turning all black and the boba is getting really shiny. And then the boiled water is almost done, and we're gonna use, what are we gonna use? We're gonna use these mugs to put the tea bags in, to put the tea in, and then we're gonna transfer the boba into those cups. Yeah. And then for boba, what you're supposed to do, we're gonna boil the boba and then put it inside. You're supposed to boil the boba, and then you're supposed to, what am I saying? You're supposed to put the tea inside the fridge to make it cold. So then we're going to take Then we need to make the brown sugar syrup. So yeah. So we decided only to use 1 mug because half of the drink is going to be milk, and then it's gonna be a little bit of the tea. So we're only gonna fill the tea with 1 mug, so yeah. Boba is starting to rise to the top. So that's how you know when it's ready, and it's starting to boil a little bit, but you can see all the boba is rising to the top. So that means it's almost ready, and then the tea is almost done boiling, and then we're gonna add the boiling water into here with the tea bags, and then we're gonna put the tea inside the fridge so we can let it cool down, because boba, it's cold, it's not hot, you know, but all the boba is rising to the top. The water is now boiled. Ignore that's a rat. And so the water is now boiled, and we're gonna add the boiling water into our tea. Oh my God. Woo. And then we're gonna put that into the fridge. If you're wondering what black tea we used this black tea from Trader Joe's, Black Forest cupcake flavored black tea. So yeah. Oh, are you taking out that? Woo. Just came to check on the boba, and look at it. It is all risen to the top. So the lady said we need to put a thing on top of it, so we're gonna do that, and it said to let it sit there for 5 minutes. So now that they have risen to the top, we're supposed to let this sit. I forgot what it's called, but we're supposed to let this sit for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna drain them, and then we're gonna add the boba, and then we're gonna make our brown sugar syrup. So yeah. Now we are gonna make the brown sugar syrup. So we're supposed to add 1.5 cup of brown sugar to this pan, and then we're supposed to mix it for 5 minutes, and then add 2 tablespoons of water. And then it will create a syrup, and then we add that to the boba. To drain the boba, we're just waiting for that alarm to go off. Sorry, my dirty stove. And then we're gonna drain the boba and just let it just chill. So now we're gonna add 1 cup to there, and we need to put it on low heat. And we're gonna mix that for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna mix this all up for 5 minutes, and we're gonna drain out the boba. Go ahead and drain the boba. So we have the strainer right here, ignore that, that's all the black tea, and we're gonna pour the boba into there. Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so good.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, my camera. Oh my God, it smells like boba, guys. It smells so good. Look at the boba. Oh my God. Oh. So now the boba is just chilling in there, and we're gonna go ahead and let the tea chill. And we need to mix this for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons of water into the brown sugar. So now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon. Okay, mix that. And then we're gonna add 1 more to the brown sugar. See how it's kind of making like a syrup? That's where we're gonna add to our boba. Now I need to add this tablespoon right into the boba mixture. And then there we go. Do you think that will be good?
Probably.
It needs to be like a liquid.
Yeah, that's probably good. And if we can,
we can add more. Yeah. Looking pretty snazzy. Now we're gonna add in the boba. Sorry if you hear background noise. So
because I feel like it's really thin.
I think it's okay. So the boba is ready. It's all like boby because we added the syrup, and it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty snazzy. And then next up, we need to add the boba into our jars and mix the stuff around and have the syrup coat the whole entire jar. And I'm sorry if you hear my family in the background noise because we're in the kitchen with my whole family. So I'm sorry. And now we're gonna add the boba, and I really don't wanna mess this up. We're to record pouring the boba into the glass jar, but we poured some of the boba into the glass jar, and now we need to coat all the syrup around the glass. Ooh, look at it. So we're coating the whole entire boba around the glass. Ice into each of the glasses. We just gotta coat the whole boba glass. And then we're gonna add some ice. That should be good, right? Is that good? Yeah. The next step that we have to do is add some milk. Like there.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go. Ready?
Just tell me when.
When? Now this one. Ready? When? Okay, great. Yummy. So the ice, we put ice in it because it was still cold. But once this is like, I mean, it was still hot. But once it is cold, we're gonna add it into our boba. Okay, that worked.
Looks good.
Yeah, and then this one. Ready? So we made the boba. It's looking pretty snazzy. It's kind of lighter on camera for some reason, but should we try it? Ready?
It's really good.
It's pretty good. Oh, the only thing is we don't have boba straws, but we're gonna like try the boba itself, you know? Ready?
It's really good.
Oh, it is really good. I actually really like it. It tastes so good. Oh, sorry for the really bad lighting, but it's really good. We found the boba pearls on Amazon. It was only $15, and we only used like that much of it, of the big bag. So we definitely can make this again. We didn't have boba straws, but don't spend like $20 on boba straws, you know? Just like use a spoon like this. It's like just more simple. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. I really recommend this boba. It's really good. And yeah, peace guys. Okay, bye.